Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, let's talk about a device that promises to make your dental care routine easier and more effective: the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser. With its advanced water flossing technology and a host of features designed for maximum convenience, this water flosser is built to clean your teeth, stimulate your gums, and even accommodate multiple users. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a deep dive into how it performs. The Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser, model WP662, offers a comprehensive oral care experience. It's powered by precision pulse technology, which combines water pressure and pulsations to remove up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria from treated areas. Whether you have sensitive gums, braces, or just need a thorough clean, this flosser promises to be a versatile option for various dental needs. With 10 pressure settings and 7 different tips, it's got you covered whether you're dealing with everyday plaque or needing a more targeted approach. When I first started using it, I was pleasantly surprised by the ease of setup. The reservoir holds 22 ounces of water, which is enough for more than 90 seconds of flossing time, so no need to refill mid-session. The flossing wand is lightweight and maneuverable, making it simple to reach even the back teeth. Plus, the on-off switch on the wand itself is incredibly convenient when you need to control water flow with precision. No more reaching for the base. In terms of performance, the Waterpik Aquarius stands out. The 10 pressure settings give you a wide range of options, from gentle to more powerful streams, which can be adjusted based on your needs. I personally love the massage mode, which not only helps clean, but also stimulates the gums, a nice bonus for anyone who wants to boost gum health. The built-in timer pacer is also a great touch, as it pauses briefly every 30 seconds and at the 1-minute mark to remind you when it's time to move to another area of your mouth. This makes flossing more efficient and ensures you're covering all areas equally. Now let's talk about the pros. First, the Waterpik Aquarius does a fantastic job of removing plaque and bacteria. It's effective, and you can actually feel a difference right after you use it, with your mouth feeling fresher and cleaner than after traditional flossing. The fact that it's ADA accepted speaks volumes about its safety and effectiveness. It's also an incredibly user-friendly product, with a straightforward design that doesn't require complicated instructions to get started. On the downside, there are a few things to keep in mind. The water reservoir, while large, can be a bit bulky, and the overall unit does take up a decent amount of counter space. It's not the smallest appliance, so it might not fit in more compact bathrooms if you're tight on space. The noise level is also something to consider. It's not overwhelmingly loud, but it's noticeable. For some, that may take getting used to. As for value for money, it's definitely on the higher end of the water flosser spectrum, but given the build quality, the effectiveness, and the fact that it's ADA approved, I'd say it's worth the investment. For those of you looking for alternatives, there are cheaper water flossers on the market, but they might not offer the same range of settings or effectiveness. If you're okay with scaling back some features, there are budget-friendly options that still provide a solid clean. In terms of build quality, Waterpik doesn't disappoint. The Aquarius is sturdy and well-made, with a removable reservoir that's top-rack dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. The unit feels durable, and the added 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty gives peace of mind. Now, I do want to mention customer service. Waterpik has a solid reputation for being responsive, and the Colorado-based support team is available to assist with any questions or issues. That's always a plus when buying a product that you plan to use daily. So, who would I recommend the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser for? It's perfect for individuals or families looking for a more thorough and convenient way to floss. If you have braces, sensitive gums, or just want to take your oral care to the next level, this is an excellent tool. The range of pressure settings makes it customizable for everyone in the family, and the inclusion of 7 tips ensures each person can find what works best for them. If you're on the fence about it, or if you've been thinking of trying a water flosser, I highly recommend giving the Waterpik Aquarius a go. It offers effective, gentle, and comprehensive cleaning, all while being simple to use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.